Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a Likkle Everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel behind the camera. Now today we are in Troy and we are here with a gentleman by the name of Stervin, and we'll talk to him in a little while, or we'll tell you why we're here. Please remember though, in the meantime, to like, share and to subscribe to the channel, so once you post a new video you will be updated. Alright, so let's talk to him right now. Oh, and before we get into that, just to let you know, because many persons have been asking about Shereen Cunningham. So the last update we gave you was that she was hospitalized, and as we speak she is still in the hospital. Alright, we would have visited her twice, and you know, we've spoken to her on the phone quite often. Her voice sounds very strong. She's coming on. It's just that she's not able to walk at the moment still. So we'll keep you posted. Just remember her in your prayers. All right. So thanks so much for that. All right. No, moving on. Master Vin. Yes. Oh, you get a cat. Look at that cat. Gone. Okay. So how you do today?
Me hearty.
You're hearty?
Yes.
Okay.
Me I look for you no come make up a little place.
Yeah, look for come make up a little place.
When rain fall in the wet. Wet.
Oh.
All the bed wet.
So you're managing the storm the other day?
Me manage, you know, blow down.
Yeah.
The tree they making a blow down.
Oh, got all the trees over
and
the house.
The house.
Okay, yes.
And nothing one, I think the pan in when on nail and it storm down blow.
Yeah, because you're surrounded by the trees and the house that's beside here.
Yes.
Okay, so guys, normally we come to Master Vin and we'll give him, you know, some groceries. Maybe every 2 weeks or so we try to just help him however we can with groceries and all of that. But today we are doing this video mostly because, well, we brought him some groceries, but we had visited Mr. Wilson in Duncan, Trelawney, and he had given us some clothes, and so we want to hand over those clothes to Master Stervin today, and so that is why we're here. So Mr. Wilson, if you're watching, here we are, and this is Master Stervin, and we are going to be handing over the clothes that you gave us to him, and he's a church man. Yes, in fact today is a church day, so we are here in the evening. You never went to church today, did you?
No.
Okay. Yeah, in fact today is a Sabbath, I should have said. Right, so Master Stervin, a gentleman by the name of Mr. Wilson, as I would have said before, gave us this package with clothing and so on, and so we're handing it over to you.
Thank you.
Yes, so tell Mr. Wilson thanks too.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Wilson.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. All right, and see your groceries here when you finish your can.
Yes, thank you.
Right, so Master Stervin is one of those persons who we assist from time to time, and if him don't see we come, he knows exactly where to find us, right, Master Stervin?
I want my little house. I want my little house.
You want one little house?
Yes.
Okay, because you said it's a leave.
By the near to the road. And people are passing and look. We party in labor. You know, look good.
Oh, okay.
And sometimes plenty people out on the road there, you know.
Yes.
When big funeral.
Yes.
Be year over year.
Oh, and you feel a little way. Oh, so you don't want some help.
Yes.
To build the house. Okay. So how the inside's there? We can look in there?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Could I up in the window, yeah?
Oh, okay.
So, like here going.
Okay.
Yeah, we stay there. And you can't go back no more. I bed did it.
Oh. Okay. You can't go in, you know. You go in first. You go in first, Master Stervin.
So we stay there.
Oh.
Now I want to look better. All up on the top now look good.
Oh. Okay, so when it rain, it leak?
Yeah, so it leak on the bed, it wet up the bed, yeah, so.
Okay.
Yeah, so always leak.
Oh. How long you been living here, Master Stervin?
I live in here how much? Year now. And he rotten down and me fix it back.
Yeah.
this time he right down, I mean just fix it. But he has a leak.
Oh, okay. So I'm looking through a little door down there because I have to stay far. I can't really hold.
Yeah, I want the door and me go in the little kitchen.
Oh, so I have to bend down and go under there. Oh.
You can bend down, go under there.
Okay. Lord have mercy. Oh.
Serving a cook.
Yes.
Oh, so
I have food.
You see like a bad food them.
Oh Lord. So you have to always bend down if you come under here?
Yes, yes.
Oh, so there's no space for me. So I have to
you can't stay up there.
Yes, man.
Bend down. Yeah.
All right, Boss Stervin.
Serving a cook.
Yeah.
What you cooking?
Me a hot up little food. See, me can't eat Likkle.
Okay. All right. Let me back out so Marcel
Me
can.
can't eat in me that shit way or something.
Oh, why you probably spoil?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I don't have no fridge or nothing.
To store it.
I want one stove, sir.
Oh wow. So is a wood fire you have around there? Where they?
There's some work. There's some work come through it and
No, I guess I'll just see it when I'm
black
looking
up
at
the
the
clothes. Then
video.
there's some work up the clothes. Then.
Oh, because I can't get a hole in there, guys. So I have to stay
you can't
out
stay
here.
up.
Yes, Master Vin. I'll just stay right here.
Come serving.
Okay.
So it's still.
Yes.
You come out good.
I'm used to it. Oh, Lord. Okay. Oh, wow. That was kind of hard because the space is very small.
We can't come out.
Yes, you can.
Can't stand up.
Yes, you can stand up. How long you say you live here again, Master Vin?
We live here about more than 20 years.
Oh, okay. So your mother died?
Yeah, me see that dead. Me see that. My mother dead. And my father dead.
Oh, okay. All right. So, who you have that help you as you speak? Anybody else who assist you?
And the lady will give me $3,100.
You have one lady who gives 3,100.
Yes.
Oh.
The food, the parts.
Oh, and you get the parts as well. Okay.
I'm going him alone help me.
Yeah, but that not enough.
Instead, I'm going to help me with the house.
Oh, they said I'm gonna help you with the
Yes,
house.
but me don't know how long.
Oh.
When me dead.
No, sir.
Must have when me dead.
No, it have to happen before that.
He said, "Ma go help me."
Okay. So you have to maybe
So
check
me
out.
then I tell him about, oh no, say Muna go help me. So he said, he ma go help me.
Okay. So maybe check her then and see what.
He said, ma go help me, but a long time in talk and in do not.
Yeah, but what you can do is go back to her and then just have the conversation.
No, he come here. And he take his video and I am here him a talk.
Oh.
You know, do nothing.
No, maybe I have to have a little more patience and see.
He just a fool of me. Medical parts, 3,000.
The 3,100.
He give me.
Oh. Also the 3,100 you get is the part?
In glad we can't give me it. But the same top I know me want some others people come.
Oh, is the part lady you're talking about? Oh, okay.
Go crawl and go pay everywhere.
Oh, so I thought
I go fix it. But he look like he not do it. I'm go sweet more me.
Stervin, give me enough joke today. So look here now. So when you say you get the 3,100 and you get parts, it's not two money, it's one money.
Yeah.
Oh,
and
is it?
sometimes I get it run at the church.
Okay, the 3,100. You get it one monthly?
Yes.
Monthly.
Month 10.
So how that help you? Where you buy?
He helped me well. Me can buy me cursing oil. Thank God for it.
Yes.
I could have never get it.
Yes. So you have light here, sir?
No.
Oh.
Personal me use.
Oh, lamp. Okay. Okay. So how this house, this land is yours?
No, my family them.
Oh, so them allow you to just build.
Then in some people put here so, but me can't live in this here all day long. So if me get it fixed, I say nothing. And me
Okay.
there keep in place with a grass. So.
Okay. Okay.
Because it a grow up back here. They say a road man, them a go come rent it, you know.
Oh, this house here. Okay.
They fix the bridge down there.
Okay.
So I know how long me I got there here.
But
The man left me here.
yes. But you don't like to see the house fix a little better.
Yes.
Yeah.
Make it look side of him, make it look little better.
So next time the part lady come, Stervin,
Yes.
ask her again.
Yeah.
Ask her again.
She know.
She know.
Every day I'm passing see it. If I say I go help me with it.
Okay, so you
I
don't
don't
need.
need to ask him again, bad.
Yes, because she know and see it
Yes, and
already.
him take a video, him take him phone and take a picture. Foolish.
Yeah, maybe she'll work on him and give her a little time and see. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, give her a little more time. Because you might just be surprised she's working on it, but just because she not get to you as yet.
I know enough people in Madrid. I know enough people in Madrid. Don't go me alone.
Oh, you know.
Me living at the main road. People are look. No look good.
No look
But
good.
it's simply wait little.
Alright, so wait, little and sit in.
Yeah.
Alright.
I mean, then like some black can me gather them up somewhere inside there.
Oh, so you have some block already? How much you have?
About 10.
Oh, 10 blocks. Oh, you don't need way more than that, man, to make the foundation.
Yeah.
True.
And when the rain fall, we already gone in nearly come in.
Oh, yeah, because it's lower.
The water running.
So like the water that comes in
Yeah.
from the roof, it wet the bed?
Yes.
So when you wet the bed, what you do?
He wet it on top, come down. You have to just fall up on one little part.
Well, fall upon like a part. Uh-oh. So in there cold and something?
You know, so cold.
Okay.
As me a man, me just take it off. See.
Yeah, yeah.
Tell better come one night time.
Yes.
And when me feel come out God church, bathe and come out God church out of them a little place.
You don't feel good about that? You ever ask the church for help yet?
They not help nothing. They not help.
Uh-oh. But maybe you have to ask. Have you ever asked?
A long time I got a church, you know, must have more than 20 years.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Awesome.
And at 2 times they make me baptize.
So why
One time me baptized on the dam around so. One part me one year brother house. And one time me baptized in the church.
Oh. So why they baptize twice? So they leave and come
Yeah,
back?
me been leave and dump my father up so.
Okay.
Good time.
Yes. And go to the
And
world.
my father dead and me up the good time. I'm never know Portland that time. I'm never know sea. And me dey up the good time, my father go up a big wood up so. And in family dead up there, and me follow him, my mother and me go up there. And me follow him go up Portland. And me up the good time.
Yeah.
Like me no be want come back. I'm never know a them place there. Me never know Windsor Paris and me never know Portland, me never know them place there, me never know Mansion Hill and them place there. Me never know plenty place. So me up there good time and I look and me love to see about the morning, that Sunday morning time, me go down and see go bathe and me come back. So me like up there.
Yes. So make you did leave then if you like up there?
And so me come back down here now. That time my father dead.
Oh, cause
No, my father never dead yet. Me come back down here. As me come back down here, then tell me say my father dead. Me have to go back up there. When me go back up there, then my family then pull down in house, bury him, and put the house back for them place.
oh, so you never had nowhere to stay.
Me go up there and me see you think them pack up and what them do. And me just come back down.
Oh,
I never have nowhere.
yes.
Me never, me big, me could have my father's house.
Yes.
Then pull it down and take it.
Oh,
Like thief. And do it like thief.
oh no.
But to me and my family, me not say nothing.
You're
Me
not
just
bother.
come down, back down here, me not have nothing.
Yeah.
Me not think me a big ground like how me have here now.
Yes. So what your farm?
We plant a yellow yam.
Like how much you have now?
We plant about gone over 300 deal.
Oh, you're going good man.
And me plant gunguro on here so.
Okay,
Plant
okay.
every little thing. Pork and so.
Yes.
And me know say everything sell.
Okay. All right. All right. So.
I mean, I have nowhere to live. Me out here on road and tell me come in here. Nothing in my family then nobody knows say me I come in here. And when they come see me. And when me listen now, me and them are family. Some really super crawl and me don't know them.
Yes.
But sometimes when they come and go up there and tell me no, say me and them are family.
Okay. Okay.
Please, if you can help me, I'm glad. But when the rain fall, me wet. And when we go to church, me not feel happy if you come out here if you go to church. It may not better place now with that. But me still go. For me heart did it. Me still go.
Yes.
Still have to go. But sometimes I don't feel well to go.
Yeah.
Place no look.
It make you feel sad if you come out of this state to go to church.
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right. All right, Master Stervin. All right, so guys, so you would have heard Master Stervin's story, and he's asking you for assistance. If there's any way that you're able to help him to provide any sort of material, any help that you're able to give so that he can be in a better state in terms of his living condition, with his house, you can reach out to us at 876-512-4055. So any help we get, we'll greatly appreciate. All right. Master Stervin, you have phone?
No, I don't want.
Oh, you don't have no phone? Oh, okay.
But me I go get one at a time.
Yeah, I'll get one at a time. Oh, okay.
But everything costs money. You have to go shop with it, buy credit, put money. Number it. I have to charge it.
And you don't have no current?
I have no current.
Oh.
Every little thing I'm worried. So sometimes you have to just take care of your
Yeah.
thing cost money coming like I want a young baby, want a baby. And that the money couldn't mind baby. But it come in feel like I want to pick it.
Yes, so everything costly.
You have to buy card, put money, you have to carry how much gas shop. $260 phone or $500.
You mean for the credit, the phone credit?
Yes.
Oh, it's stressful, not true?
Don't know how some people manage.
Alright guys, so this is where we ended the video for today. But before we go, please remember to keep Shireen Cunningham in your prayers. Alright, so until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thanks for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Take care.